So there I was, just looking through my phone. What are we gonna do today? Let's go on the maps. Let's see what's going on the maps. We have this place right here, motocross track, or I don't know, something. It looks like a track. We will go over there and find out. So let's go. Let's hit it. I'm too short, so I have to get that up and then have to get up. Let's go. What's going on, bro? Well, as you've seen on the intro, we're gonna go try to find this track that it's not too far from here. Probably about 10 minutes from here. So we're gonna go find it, maybe hit it and see what we can do. I want to learn how to, I don't know, I want to learn this bike more. I want to be able to do double blips on it. I just want to get comfortable with it. You know, I've never had a dirt bike before. This is basically a dirt bike with street tires. So I've never had one before, growing up or anything. So now's the time to learn. So I'm way behind when it comes to learning all those basics. I mean, never taken it on the dirt or mud, so just trying to learn it. It is super windy today, so I'm not sure how everything sounds right now, but yeah, it's windy. It is hot. It is super hot today. Like, I was filming the intro and I was just sweating. I was like out of breath just filming the intro. Let's see, so it shouldn't be too far from here. A good friend of mine used to live in that street, so I know where the street is. And I looked at a couple landmarks. It should be after a tower that's there. I'm not sure if it's a cell phone tower or what type of tower it is, but that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna find out. Third gear, 39 miles an hour. See. Super soft clutch up right there. It's super windy too, so I didn't want to hit it too fast and then be all over the place. You can probably hear it right now. Super windy. See, it's moving me out of the lane. Should be one of the streets over here. Here it is. Oh, right there. I didn't even know they had a big sign for it. Smokes right here. Oh, the pavement ends. Pavement ends. I guess it's an old sign because it looks like it has brand new pavement. Oh, right here. Maybe we can go through the other street that's behind it. Seen a no trespassing sign right there. Good thing we're only one, so we're not trespassing, right? That's for 3 people. So let's see. Oh, we got some twisties. Oh, that is it right there. Damn, what is this house right here? Nobody behind me. This house kind of crazy. Right here. Oh, we got a gravel road. This looks pretty flat. It looked like I was here. Well, no trespassing. We're only one passing, so. Is it this? Ah, did they get me on this? Maps hasn't updated it, or are they building something new? It's a lot of dirt. Oh, that sucks. What are we gonna do now? Huh. Looks like there was a fence there. Oh, this sucks. Well, there goes the video. This Florida. I thought we had something exciting. Oh, that's a lot of sand. But apparently not. Let's see. I guess not, guys. Well, I guess we don't have anything there. Those cable lines look very, very low. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where the map said it was. Yeah, because looking at this flag, should have been right behind it. I guess they might be rebuilding it, or they might just have taken it out. I know the compound is, you can go to the compound right through there. The compound is like 200 miles of paved road that they never developed, and people go there all the time. We'll probably go there and hit the trails that they have over there soon. But maybe they were getting too many people here, just bothering the neighborhood. That might have been it. I'm not too sure, but I was excited for it too. That one sucked. Well, that didn't turn out the way that it was envisioned in my head. What is that? Looks like a sand road. I guess we'll go through there. Should I find some excitement in this video?
Are you sure about that?
The track was a disappointment. Well, let's try it out. If it's too soft, I can't do it with these tires. So it looks like sand, but I don't know. Let's see. See what we got here. Oh, it is straight up sand. Yeah, it is straight up sand. And I'm drifting all over. Oh no. It is what it is. Alright, let's see how we can make a U-turn now though. Uh-oh. Are we stuck here forever? It is hot. Oh. All right, let's
Why you bullying me?
Alright, we were able to make the U. Let's go. I have never ridden in sand before, so here's a first. Whew. Let's go. We made it out. All right. Bike seems to be fine. Damn, it is so windy. Let's see if it's fine or not. Yeah, that's fine. I wonder where that takes us. I have to look it up in the maps now. See where that goes. Farther than I thought, to be honest with you. As soon as I hit the sand, I was like, oh, I'm going down. But I guess it's time to research how to ride on the sand, right? When I picked up the speed, it was pretty good. Not gonna lie, I was impressed with myself.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
My son so dumb, IQ 21. He tried to make friends, but they call him Ching Chong. He eat the wonton, but he felt like Kim Jong. He's so ugly when he smile, he look like the King Kong. My son useless, can't play ping pong. He tried to get a date with the girl Soo Young, but she said hell no, cause he not that handsome. And my son so broke, can't buy the dim sum. Yeah, 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 yeah.